We're going to be doing Moi Moi Ewe. Hi everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's your girl Tanda in the building. I am back again. Yes, I'm sorry for not delivering so far because I've been a little bit down, but now I am back. Your girl is back. So today, if you're just joining in, I would like to say a very big welcome to you, and please don't forget to hit the subscribe button down below. If you are already a subscriber, I would like to say a very big welcome to you, and please don't forget to share Edako Biko. Oh, okay, so without wasting much of our time today we're going to be doing Moi Moi Elewe. We could call it steam bean pudding. That's the English word though. And then we're going to be wrapping it in Ewe Eran, or you could call it banana leaves, and then I'll just like put the English name. See what I'm showing you, right? Yes, that's the English word for it. So you know what? Let's just get to the kitchen and see what we are going to be cooking. Here we have already peeled beans, chili peppers and onions. Ensure that the beans is soft before you blend it. Smoked fish, remove the bone. Already boiled eggs. The Ewe Eran or banana leaf. In a clean blender, I am going to put the already washed beans, which is soft to some point, the chili peppers and the onions. And I am going to add a little bit of water so that it would be easy for the blender to make it into a smooth paste. We're going to blend this to a very smooth paste. A very smooth paste. We are going to repeat this until all the beans is blended into a paste. In a bowl, I'm going to add 2 tablespoons of salt into the bean paste, and I'm going to add groundnut oil, enough groundnut oil, and a little bit of palm oil. I'm going to mix this together and add a little bit more water just in case the paste is very thick, and add a little bit more salt just to ensure that it tastes good and okay. I'm adding in my fish and eggs, and I am going to mix this together. In the mix, I'm going to add crayfish, grounded crayfish, into the mix and mix this together. In a pot, I have 2 cups of water, and I'm going to put the leaves inside to avoid the moi moi from burning. Here I'm going to show you a one-on-one step on how to do the wraps. First, you need a big one and a small leaf. We're going to break this middle part out because we don't need it. We're going to do this for the 2 leaves. This is the front and that is the back. This is the back and this is the front. We're using the front for the moi moi. We don't need the shiny black part. The shiny green part is the back, so we don't need that side. We're going to place the back of the small leaf on the bigger leaf. Yeah, the small leaf on the bigger leaf. Next, I'm going to show you how you are going to fold this leaf. You're folding it in from the right or from the left, either ways you're comfortable with, and then you fold the second one in and then take it to the back like that, just like that. You fold it in, fold left, fold right, and then take it to the back. Okay, you see that to make a cone shape, then you bend it. You bend the bum to avoid the paste from falling off. Yeah. Having done that, the next step is to put the paste into the leaf. Ensure that it is not too full to avoid it from unnecessary spilling. Now we're going to cover the leaf. Cover it from the right to the left. Remember the way you folded it in. You're going that same exact way. You're going to do it from the right or from the left, then you're going to cover the left hand side. If you're doing the right first, then you're going to cover the left later, and then you bend it. We're going to do this again. Break, shiny, you put this together, you fold it in, fold it out, turn it to the back, and again fold it in, fold it out to the back, and bend. I hope you're getting it though. Ensure that there's enough space inside so that your bean wouldn't fall off. Then the beans paste. That's it. Yes, you're getting it. We're going to keep doing this until all the beans is finished. The bean paste is finished. So avoid my eye contact. Oh God. After wrapping this up, we're going to put it into the pot, all of it, and then we're going to cover it to boil or steam. And you're going to be seeing nylon because I was short of leaves. So after doing that, you're going to cover it with the leaves to ensure that the steam stays inside of the pot and it's not like evaporating and all of those things. 30 minutes later is not all done, so I leave it for about another 15 minutes more. And here's what it looks like after 45 minutes of cooking. Isn't this lovely? Isn't this beautiful? Behold the almighty Moi Moi. So I'm going to, this is pretty much it. This is what it looks like, and I know you're salivating. Don't forget to try your own, and don't forget to hit the subscribe button. You can have this with bread, gari, eko. So that's a wrap, guys. If you have any questions you want to ask me from what we've done today, please do well to put it down in the comment section below, and I would do well to respond to you. And also, please don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and if there are any other suggestions you want to give to me, whatever things you want me to bring up to your screen, I would do you the honors to bring it on. Why won't I? What are friends for? So guys, thank you very much for watching my show today. I hope that I'm going to see you in my next video. I love you guys, and keep supporting your girl. I love you all. Thank you. God bless you.